Hi everyone, good day. So today I'm going to explain how we can use SKUID in our Salesforce org. So first of all, we need to install this package in our Salesforce org. After this, we will go to the app launcher and search for SKUID and we will open this SKUID. After that, we need to create one page. Yeah, I will give name as contact page and then create. So now you can see there are some components here, components, models, index, action, and JavaScript. So in the model, we need to create one new model here. I will give name as contact model and we need to select our object here. We'll select as contact. Then save. After this, we will go to the component and search for table and we need to just drag and drop our table here. So here you can see there is an option for add field. So I will add some field, like we will select all fields and these all the fields are from contact object. I will take as first name, last name and phone. Click on apply and I will click on save. So now I want to show those contacts which are related to their specific accounts. So we will go to our model and I will put one condition here. Click on add. I will take as account ID and go to the value, URL parameter value. I will take parameter as ID and click on save. So now I want to preview our table. So we'll click on preview, select an account and click on go. So now you can see there are the three contacts which are related to the specific account. So now I want to create contacts from here only. So we will go to our page and here in the global action click on add. I don't want to give any name to the action. I will just take create one and go to the action, click on add action. I will select as create new row and save. Now I want to add another action to save our record. I don't want to give any name, so we can choose save here. Click on action, add action, save the model changes. Now another action to cancel. I will select as cancel, go to the action, add action, cancel model changes. I will select. We will click on save, select preview. So before that, I want to do one more thing. I will select as detached and click on save. Now click on preview, select an account, select go. So here you can see there are the three buttons. I will click on add. I will give name as John, last name as Will, and phone as W. We will click on save. So you can see our record is saved. So now if you want to remove these buttons, we can simply go to the page, select our table, choose this, click on save, and again click on preview. We'll select our account, select go. So you can see there are only three buttons and those two are removed. So this is all about SQUID. Thank you. Thanks for watching.